Last time we were here, all this was underwater. I mean, all these walkways. It was like all swamp. And there was nobody here. Like, very few people. And all of a sudden, this is like Disney World. I guess that's what happens when you come here on a weekend, and especially on a Christmas weekend. You know, it's the holidays. And
You're out of school?
Unfortunately. And, yeah. So, if you want to come here during a weekday. This is Myakka State Park. We'll maybe have some before and after videos so you can see the difference. I'm going to just take a picture.